Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how I do my laundry off the grid. What the hell? You mean to tell me that I don't do my laundry on a washing board or in a creek bed? No, we do our laundry like everybody else. And here's why. Yes, I live off grid, and I've lived off grid for 3 years now, very happily. However, I got shit to do, and so does everybody else. So while I do like the idea of going el natural on my laundry, I do it just like everybody else does. We have a washer and a dryer. Now, I will say that when we first came out here, we didn't have the infrastructure for a washer and dryer. So we did this thing, and I don't know if you've heard of it, but it's called a laundromat. And I found out how much the laundromat actually sucks. So yeah, did that for about a year, and then finally we broke down and built this little shed here, and this little metal shed houses our washer and dryer. Now, I do not use the dryer yet because we just hang them in here because we're in the middle of summer in Arizona. Let me go outside. Now, of course, we have this metal shed here, and you can see the steps. There's actually earth bags under here all the way around it. I did a video on how I built this thing. So where the water drains out though, the gray water comes down through here and into this little pool here. And look at all the weeds growing around here. Now, what I'm eventually doing here is we're turning this into like a little pond. And it's a whole project that I have on paper. I just haven't done it yet because I'm in the middle of building a house right now, so I don't really have time to do much else. So the only thing I can tell you about the laundry is that we have solar. I've had solar since day one being out here, and I have enough solar to power our washing machine, no problem. I have a cord that goes all the way down to the RV, which is where my solar stuff is housed. Now, I do have a water tote here that is filled up because we are spread out here over 20 acres. So there's a lot of space, and you know, things aren't always right next to each other. So I have a pump that I pump water from my 3,000 gallon cistern. We have water delivered right now. Eventually we'll have everything on catchment, but it's all just this massive project out here, okay? So anyways, water comes from here, goes in. I have an RV pump that pumps the water into the washing machine, okay, on demand. And it's all plugged in through a big cord that goes all the way down to my RV. And that's how we do our laundry. So it works. And until we get our house done, I can tell you right there where all those weeds are, that's where our laundry room is going to be. So I can't wait to get that done. And that's why I've been putting all my time into this, but just thought I'd share.